In this video, let's see how can you fix this shading error using normal editing tools. So let's get started. I'll start by creating a plain object, and then let's reduce the width and height segments to 4 in each. And then in the orientation, let's choose a -Z. Let's hit N and then B. And let's hit to filter and close the work plane so we can see it better. Let's make this plane editable. Let's hit C on the keyboard and now head to the polygon selection tool, and then let's delete all of these since we're going to use the symmetry object to clone all the 3 other parts. And now let's choose the vertex or the point selection tool and choose the one in the middle, and then let's hit M and then S to open up our Bavel tool. In the subdivisions, let's increase it to 1, and for depths, let's make it a -100, and let's increase the offset, let's say around 50. And then now let's hit U and then E to remove the n-gun lines. And now let's choose the polygon or the face selection tool, and let's select these polygons, and now hit Ctrl, and then on the Z axis, the blue one, drag it around 50 centimeters. After doing so, you won't see any difference, but this error comes when you disable the Phong tag or when you increase the Phong angle. Let's disable the angle limit for now, and then let's head to the polygon selection tool and right click and go down till you find the normal editing tool. This window will pop up. So after you do so, let's head to the vertex selection or the point selection tool, and let's select all of these. Hit 0 on your keyboard and select all of them with the rectangle selection tool. On the bottom left hand corner under display, you will find the vertex normal. After you click on it, the vertex normals for every and each vertex will appear. If you check the vertex normals for the vertices in this area, you would find that all of them are basically wrong. To fix this error, you need to change the direction. Let's choose something like +Z and then press on align. So it's the wrong direction. We need the -Z and then hit align again. After doing so, you will find the vertex normal pointing in the -D direction. Now let's close the normal editing tool, and while we're here, let's make sure that we've selected our object. Let's head to this panel here and add a symmetry object while making sure we are pressing on Alt and then choosing symmetry. You would get this clone immediately after the first symmetry, but we need another one. So we would repeat the same process, but in the second one, on the x-axis we choose off, and for the y-axis you will choose +to-. Let's make sure that on the wielding we choose cross plane, same for the other one, and let's put them inside the subdivision surface. And now let's check the overall shading. Let's hit N and then A. If you want to remove these planes, hit to the symmetry objects and check on the show planes. And if you're still not happy with the shading inside this area here, go to the subdivision surface. All we need is to just increase the subdivision count. since this area needs a lot more geometry to be shaded properly. And that would be it for our video.